Alright, we're going to start stripping our axles and getting those down because we're going to be sticking air lockers inside these axles, and typically we go through and just strip the axle right down. We're going to do a lot of sandblasting on the axles, cleaning up new gaskets and seals, things of that nature. This is the rear axle. Has 411 gears in it, stock gears, and they are drum brake rear ends, which is nice. We'll be putting new wheel cylinders in, as well as stainless steel brake lines, and but keeping the housings and a lot of the internals usually on these axles for Land Cruisers are fine. The differential, the gearing inside usually is in fine shape, but the outside looks scary. However, once we get done with sandblasting, this is going to clean up really nice. There's not a lot of patina on this or heavy rust. It'll clean up real nice. We'll paint it in black and it'll look sharp. So this is the first one to come in and be disassembled. And we'll have the other front axle coming in a little bit here.